Hello guys, I'm back and it's finally finished. Uh, Took me a long time though due to COVID lockdown and all. Because of that, I have to make it with what I have. So here I used a simple white thread from my mom's sewing kit and I wrapped my handle for grip and wrapped some other stuff too. For the design, I just used a permanent marker and drew my design. Yeah, that's it. And boom, look at that, it's so awesome. Overall, this prop looks so amazing. It's a bit heavy though due to those 5 mm acrylic sheets. In few hours I'll upload a video along with its template files. Those files you will get from my Patreon. So hope you guys like it.
I lost a couple friends on my way up. I took a couple L's, but that's just normal talk. I popped a couple pills, but they don't do much. And now I take Prozac in the morning with some other stuff. But why did